1, 2, lift that Twinkie. So what we doing? You're on video, you know.
Why am I on video?
Because we're making our first video for the shared channel.
And where are we, Jacob?
Oh no, some part of the high school that I've never been before.
Yeah.
Strange jackets. Yes. Strange person. Epic fail.
Totally.
Yeah.
But
Like,
that's
nothing's
very
going
big.
off and whatever.
No, we could die someday, but nope.
No, they have to leave everything disconnected.
That fire alarm's going strong, though.
Yeah, they have to make sure that they have a top dollar sound system in the auditorium, but that never doesn't work. Come on. Oh my gosh. Like a $10,000 mural of the principal and that.